Tonight, even though we have gotten a short break from the triple digit heat, we're still in extreme fire danger because of the dry conditions, and that heat is coming back soon. No major Tri-Cities fires today, but we have seen a lot of fires like this one near Dallas Road and Interstate 82. It burned for less than an hour before crews entered what's called the mop-up mode, which is what you see here. Now, this morning, Benton County Fire District 1 helped the Kennewick Fire Department put out this fire in the area of East First Avenue and South Gum Street. No reports of injuries or structure damage from any of the Tri-Cities fires today. Now, the big fires in the region continue to be part of the Battle Mountain Complex fires, and those are burning across much of Umatilla County. Cooler conditions have allowed crews to make significant progress on mop-up operations. That progress means less of a chance the fires will flare up again and cross fire lines once we get back to the triple digits, which will happen as soon as tomorrow. Containment of the Battle Mountain Complex is at 14%.